Hey guys, we are back with another video. Sorry it has been a hot minute since I've uploaded, but I have quite a few videos, exciting videos lined up for you guys to watch, so just stay tuned. But today we are going to go through the Influenster box for the Best in Beauty for 2018, so let's just get started. Now, in case you aren't familiar with Influenster, it is a website / app where you go on, you review products that you use in your everyday life, and you collect badges by your interaction with other people and your reviews. And based off of how many badges you earn, you actually get special rewards. So I currently have 3 or 4 badges right now. And I got this box for $25, and it's said to have $200+ worth of products in here, so let's just dive in. So first of all, it comes with this cute little guide. Now on the back it says Reviewer's Choice Winners of 2018. And in the guide it says what Influenster is. It says a quote from the co-founder and president, and on the very inside it has skincare, makeup, and hair care. There are about 6 items in here that are rated in regards to 5-star rankings and have prices next to them, so let's just add them all up and have the total. So now that we have the total price amount for only 6 items in this box, let's just go in. So first we have this Tresemme Extra Firm Control Hairspray. Next we have a palette. It is the CoverGirl True Naked Chocoholic palette. Oh, we have some Batiste dry shampoo in the scent Neon. It says vibrant and fruity. Next up we have a travel size box of Laura Mercier loose setting powder. And next we have this ColourPop Super Shock shadow, and is in the color Lightning Bug. Ooh, this is a really good one. It is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lolita. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this item, so it is either Kula or Kula, but it is a sunscreen. And it's SPF 50, so I'm totally going to be using this summer. Now, this next product, I've never tried it, but I hear a lot of people just talk about it and they love it, and my mom uses it. She has it in a huge size. It is the Philosophy Purity Cleanser. It is the company Orib. I have no idea. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your company's name, but it is a dry texturizing spray. Now we have a Becca product. It is, what is it? A Perfector Press in vanilla quartz. Their highlight, I love their highlight in, what is it? Champagne Pop, of course, everyone loves Champagne Pop, but also Moonstone. Moonstone is another great one. So speaking of highlight, we have a highlighting powder from Wet n Wild, and it's called Precious Pearls. So let's open this up and do a little swatch and see if it's blinding, if it even compares to Becca or Jeffree Star. Come on.
12 seconds later.
So here is it in the pan, and let's swatch this really quick. That's actually really pretty. Yeah, we're gonna have to play around with this. It's kind of like a champagne color. Now next we have some NYX setting spray, the Jergens Natural Glow Moisturizer, the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, the Origins Ginseng Eye Cream, from the brand Pond's, a dry skin cream for rich hydrating facial moisturizer. And I'm really going to use the heck out of this. I am telling you that right now, because like I've said in previous videos, I have skin as dry as the Sahara. So I need all the help I can get. Now next is a Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. So next is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. The EOS or EOS, whichever one you prefer to say. I prefer saying EOS, but that's completely up to you. But it stands for Evolution of Smooth. It is their shaving cream and moisturizer in pomegranate raspberry. Definitely gonna be using that. And finally, oh wait, no, not yet. We have a bag in here of 3 samples. The first sample is the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask. The next is an apple cider vinegar scalp scrub, a warming mud mask. And the last thing I'm going to pull out of this box is the Real Techniques makeup sponge. This is actually my favorite sponge. I actually prefer it over the Beauty Blender. Shocking, I know, but it is just so great. I love the angle that it has, and it's amazing. It's great. I totally recommend you try this. I usually get mine at Ulta, but I'm sure that they sell them other places. So thank you so much, Influenster. And I also I already gifted like 3 or 4 of these items. So let me just run through and see what I gifted, because I already knew, well, some of them were duplicates of items, and then other ones would have been put to better use by someone else. So were those the best in beauty for 2018 in my opinion? Yes and no. Honestly, some of these products I have never used, so I'm looking forward to trying them. But these were, keep in mind, these were the most reviewed and top rated from the website of Influenster. So I'm excited to try these new beauty products. I'm excited I didn't have to go out and purchase certain products that I needed. And yeah. So for me personally, I'm going to run through my own personal beauty products of 2018, so stay tuned for the next video to find out. Please like and subscribe, and remember, you are all strong, independent, articulate individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!